This is your daily dose of cats.
Look, see? He's alright. It's all good.
What is that? Don't hiss at him.
Oh, hi. What?
We found an abandoned kitten on the highway. Hi. Hi, dear.
I guess you don't have to drive after all.
Fajitas? Nah. Quesadillas? You tell him.
You shouldn't be up there, should you?
Once I open this door, they're gonna come. What are y'all doing? Can y'all back up, please? Y'all stop, please.
I feed them like 3 times a day.
Buddy. What?
Don't turn at him. What's that damn thing?
Hi, kitty. Hi. You're so sweet. I want to keep you.
It's playtime.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello? Excuse me.
Enjoying some air.
Did you get anything done that you wanted to this weekend? Do you think I did?
You were here. We're at the vet. You want to go inside?
Fighting spirit.
Don't you dare. Don't you do it. What are you doing up there? Happy of the Lord.